It always begins with a spark, a flash of inspiration that feels electric. The thrill of a new idea, a blank page, a fresh start. Starting is easy, it's seductive. But finishing is rare. And why is that? Why do so many brilliant ideas fade into obscurity? It's rarely a question of talent or potential. Most people give up not because they can't succeed, but because they encounter the messy, unglamorous middle. That difficult stretch where the initial passion wanes and the daily grind sets in. It's where doubt whispers, and the allure of a new, shiny idea tries to pull you away. They stop just shy of the breakthrough, unaware of how close they truly are. They mistake the struggle for a sign of failure, when in reality, it's an integral part of the process. They stop too soon, and this creates a silent burden. Every unfinished dream becomes emotional weight. Every abandoned plan becomes a quiet regret, a ghost of what could have been, subtly eroding your confidence for the next attempt. But the magic is not in beginning. It's in returning, again and again, especially when you don't feel like it. It's in the quiet discipline of showing up. This is how you transform resistance into momentum. This is how your vision turns into your reality. Finishing is a habit, not a singular moment of glory. It's a muscle you build through small, consistent actions. The world doesn't celebrate the person who starts the most projects. It celebrates the one who sees them through. Greatness belongs to the persistent, not the perfect. So look at your list of abandoned ideas. Don't be overwhelmed. Just pick one thing you started and commit to finishing it. It doesn't have to be your magnum opus. It just has to be done. Because even a small completion rewires your brain for success and builds a powerful, unstoppable future.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.